Hello my viewers, welcome to Science Tech Day. So today I'm going to take you through on how to test the AC signal. But remember, AC signal doesn't have any polarity. So even if you change these two testing leads and you interchange them, it has no any problem. So before we go very far, you have to make sure that when our meter is off, like this, you have to change the dial to beep is. Then after changing it here, where I'm pointing right now here, after changing it there, you bring these two key testing leads here, the black one and then the red one. But remember, the black one has to be on COM. Then after that, you join this together. When you hear that noise, that means our multimeter is working very well. So you have to first of all test whether the multimeter is working before you're going on with testing the what? The voltage which is coming from the outlet there. So this is our outlet. This is our socket where the AC current is coming from. So when we want to test this, you have to change this dial here. We change it here to AC. This is where our AC is. We change it to here, whereby we have the 200 and we also have this 600. So we have changed it to 600 because we understand the value of the voltage which is on this outlet is higher than 200. So we have to put it to 600 here. This is where the 600 is. As I've told you before, that this black and red with AC, it doesn't matter because for it doesn't have any polarity. So when I fix this here, this is our red, then this is our black one. Then after that, I put on here. Then you can see it has started reading. So that is the voltage which is coming out from this outlet of ours. It's 200. It's 250. So that's how to test the current which is coming out from the outlet here.